Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change deposit limit on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change deposit limit on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then here you can find profile and settings option just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the limits option just right here on the account section. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the limits of your card sales, 3D secure purchases, send cryptocurrency and receive cryptocurrency. Now here you can find the receive cryptocurrency is on the unlimited one. So this is the deposit limit. So you can see it is unlimited, and that means you don't need to change anything at all. And that's it. This is how you can change deposit limit on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.